With a very simple and effective technique, you will realize how easy it is to learn Spanish. All you have to do is memorize structures that don't change. For example, I want. By saying I want in Spanish, you are able to create a lot of different sentences. I want es quiero o yo quiero, but you can say just quiero. I want to learn Spanish. I want, quiero, to learn, aprender. Spanish, español. Repeat after me. Quiero aprender español. Quiero aprender español. I want to travel the world. I want, quiero, to travel, viajar. The world es el mundo. Quiero viajar el mundo. Quiero viajar el mundo. I want to buy a new car. I want, you already know. How do you say it? Quiero. To buy, comprar. Un new car es nuevo coche. Quiero comprar un nuevo coche. Quiero comprar un nuevo coche. I want to be happy. I want, quiero, to be, ser. Happy es feliz. Quiero ser feliz. Quiero ser feliz. I want to read a good book. I want, quiero, to read, leer. Un good book es buen libro. Quiero leer un buen libro. Quiero leer un buen libro. I want to watch a movie tonight. I want, quiero, to watch, ver. Una. In this case is una. Movie, película. Tonight is two words. Esta noche. It's something like this night, okay? Quiero ver una película esta noche. Quiero ver una película esta noche. You can see that by using only I want, you are able to create and speak a lot of different sentences in Spanish. So all you gotta do for now is memorize quiero. Okay, I want to speak is quiero hablar. To go is ir. How do you say I want to go? Quiero ir. To give is dar. How do you say I want to give? Quiero dar. To know is saber. How do you say I want to know? Quiero saber. To stay in Spanish is quedar. How do you say I want to stay? Quiero quedar. To follow is seguir. How do you say I want to follow? Quiero seguir. To call is llamar. How do you say I want to call? Quiero llamar. To leave is salir. How do you say I want to leave? Quiero salir. Okay, now repeat after me. Quiero hablar. Quiero hablar. Quiero ir. Quiero ir. Quiero dar. Quiero dar. Quiero saber. Quiero saber. Quiero quedar. Quiero quedar. Quedar is spelled Q-U-E-D-A-R. Okay? There's a letter E missing. Quedar. Quiero seguir. Quiero seguir. Quiero llamar. Quiero llamar. Quiero salir. Quiero salir. Very good. Now, words that you should learn in Spanish. Movie is película. Night, noche. Good, buen. Book, libro. Happy, feliz. New, nuevo. Car, coche. Repeat. Película. Película. Noche. Noche. Buen. Buen. Libro. Libro. Feliz. Feliz. Nuevo. Nuevo. Coche. Coche. All right. Very good. Let's move on. Now is I don't want. I want is quiero. I don't want, no quiero. I don't want to eat broccoli is I don't want, no quiero. To eat, comer. Broccoli is brócoli. No quiero comer brócoli. No quiero comer brócoli. I don't want to study math. I don't want, no quiero, to study, estudiar. Math es matemáticas. No quiero estudiar matemáticas. No quiero estudiar matemáticas. I don't want to talk about that. I don't want, no quiero, to talk, hablar. About that es de eso. No quiero hablar de eso. No quiero hablar de eso. I don't want to buy new clothes. I don't want, no quiero, to buy, comprar. New clothes, ropa nueva. No quiero comprar ropa nueva. No quiero comprar ropa nueva. I don't want to go out tonight. I don't want, no quiero, to go out is salir. Tonight, remember, two words, esta noche. No quiero salir esta noche. No quiero salir esta noche. I don't want to argue with you. I don't want, no quiero. To argue is discutir. With you, contigo. No quiero discutir contigo. No quiero discutir contigo. I don't want to look es no quiero mirar. The verb to tell is decir. How do you say I don't want to tell? No quiero decir o contar. Okay? To tell, you can also say decir o contar. No quiero contar. I don't want to tell. No quiero decir. I don't want to tell. To start is empezar. How do you say I don't want to start? No quiero empezar. To wait is esperar. How do you say I don't want to wait? No quiero esperar. To work, trabajar. How do you say I don't want to work? No quiero trabajar. To lose, perder. How do you say I don't want to lose? No quiero perder. To finish is terminar. How do you say I don't want to finish? No quiero terminar. The verb to change is cambiar. How do you say I don't want to change? No quiero cambiar. Now repeat after me. No quiero mirar. No quiero mirar. No quiero contar. No quiero contar. No quiero empezar. No quiero empezar. No quiero esperar. No quiero esperar. No quiero trabajar. No quiero trabajar. No quiero perder. No quiero perder. No quiero terminar. No quiero terminar. No quiero cambiar. No quiero cambiar. You see that by using the expression no quiero, I don't want, you are able to speak many different things in Spanish. Let's move on. A few words that you should learn in Spanish with con, to want, querer, to argue, discutir, to buy, comprar, to talk, hablar, that, eso, to eat, comer. Repeat, con, querer, querer, discutir, discutir, comprar, comprar, hablar, hablar, eso, eso, comer, comer. Very good. Now it's quiz time. I'm going to show you the sentences in English and you have to try to translate them all into Spanish. Don't worry about getting all the sentences right. Most important here is you to practice your Spanish. Are you ready? So let's do it. How do you say, I want to learn Spanish? Quiero aprender español. Quiero aprender español. Quiero aprender español. How would you say, I want to travel the world? Quiero viajar el mundo. Quiero viajar el mundo. Quiero viajar el mundo. I want to buy a new car. Quiero comprar un nuevo coche. Quiero comprar un nuevo coche. Quiero comprar un nuevo coche. I want to be happy. Quiero ser feliz. Quiero ser feliz. Quiero ser feliz. I want to read a good book. Quiero leer un buen libro. Quiero leer un buen libro. Quiero leer un buen libro. It's important that you repeat after me. I want to watch a movie tonight. Quiero ver una película esta noche. Quiero ver una película esta noche. Quiero ver una película esta noche. How would you say, I don't want to eat broccoli? No quiero comer brócoli. No quiero comer brócoli. No quiero comer brócoli. I don't want to study math. No quiero estudiar matemáticas. No quiero estudiar matemáticas. No quiero estudiar matemáticas. I don't want to talk about that. No quiero hablar de eso. No quiero hablar de eso. No quiero hablar de eso. I don't want to buy new clothes. No quiero comprar ropa nueva. No quiero comprar ropa nueva. No quiero comprar ropa nueva. I don't want to go out tonight. No quiero salir esta noche. No quiero salir esta noche. No quiero salir esta noche. I don't want to argue with you. No quiero discutir contigo. No quiero discutir contigo. No quiero discutir contigo. And that's all for today. I hope you like it. So write a comment and subscribe to this channel. See you next. Hasta la próxima. Bye bye.